Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Now there's a new trend that we're observing in the Google Ads landscape, where we're noticing that a lot of people who use automated bidding for their Google Ads, they're noticing their cost per click, the amount of money you pay to when a client or anyone clicks on your ad is going up drastically. Now that's something they're noticing, and obviously if the cost per click goes up, the cost for conversion also goes up. So what they're having to do is basically put more marketing dollars in and just see, obviously the conversions increase, but they're also noticing that their cost per conversions also going up. Now recently a client told me, okay, how can you help me change this? So how can your agency solve this problem? And I told them a solution which I'm going to share with you. Now that's a great question to ask your agency or ask Gleaminary is, okay, I want to pay less for the click, for the same click, and I want to pay less for the same conversions. And how do I do that? The answer basically lies in looking deeper and going towards manual CPC or manual cost per click, where your agency or the person managing your Google Ads basically switches the bidding strategy from an automated bidding strategy and goes to a manual cost per click strategy, sets it at an optimal level, and sees how it affects the conversions. And then basically, you want to leave your bid at that level. So you're telling Google, this is the maximum I'm willing to pay for a click. And then you go on to raise your budget. That's the strategy that I'm sharing with you. Keep the CPC at an optimal level, at a level that you're happy at, let's say. So let's say our customer was paying $5 for a click before. You want to drop it down to, let's say, $3.50, just for the sake of this example. And you want to raise the budget. In day 3, you want to raise it a little bit. The budget for your ad spend for the whole day, you want to raise it gradually and see if your cost per click is actually going down and if your cost per conversion is actually going down. So this is an experiment that you got to run. And obviously, there are other things, there are other variables that you also have to be conscious about, which is your conversion metrics. So you're telling Google, oh, this conversion's worth more than this conversion. That could also impact your results that you see. All right? So maybe you want to reset that data and give Google, through Google Ads, Google tagging, you want to give it the right data, basically telling it to just go for conversions, forget about value-based bidding for a while and see how that works out. Now your Google Ads agency has to run all these experiments to see how they can give you the best bang for your buck. Obviously, Gleaminary is the right choice to help you get the best bang for your buck. Click on the link in the description that says gleaminary.com/consulting, or click on the book now button. It'll take you to my website. You can see all the benefits of working with Gleaminary. You'll see how our agency can help you get the best customers and at a great cost. Thank you so much.